If you've been thinking about launching your first website, one of the first decisions that you'll face is picking a hosting provider. And honestly, it's easy to get overwhelmed with all the options out there. Now, two names that constantly come up are IONOS and Bluehost. Both are super popular, but which one is actually better for your needs, especially if you're on a tight budget? Now, I spent a lot of time digging into both platforms, comparing plans, testing dashboards, even getting in touch with customer support so you don't have to. Now, this isn't just a list of pros and cons. We're going into how these two hosts actually feel to use. So let's go ahead and dive right in. IONOS, a veteran in the game. So IONOS has been around since 1988, which is ancient in internet years. It's a German-based company, but they serve customers all over the world. Now, what stands out about IONOS is its solid reputation in Europe and its wide range of hosting plans. You've got everything from shared hosting to VPS and even agency-level solutions. They've got a big reach, millions of customers, millions of domains, and a pretty serious infrastructure with servers in both the US and Europe. Now, Bluehost is younger, but it's super popular, especially in the US. It was founded in 2003, and it's officially recommended by WordPress.org. Their plans are heavily tailored toward WordPress users, and they've leaned into that by making their platform as beginner-friendly as possible. They have a big customer base, over 2 million websites hosted, and they're based in the US. If you're planning to build a WordPress site, Bluehost almost feels like the default choice. Ease of use. IONOS uses its own custom dashboard instead of the traditional cPanel. That could be a good thing if the dashboard was a bit easier to navigate. Now, while it looks clean and modern, figuring out where everything is can take a little time. Now, Bluehost has a very beginner-friendly interface. They've designed their dashboard to be as simple as possible, and it works. You can install WordPress with literally one click. Plus, you can manage your themes, plugins, and backups all from one place. If you're someone who prefers traditional cPanel, Bluehost still offers it as an option. Bottom line, Bluehost is just easier to use. This is your first website and you want to avoid technical headaches, then Bluehost is going to feel more comfortable. Performance and speed. Now, page speed is important, not just for user experience, but also for search rankings. So let's talk about performance. IONOS actually performs really well. Tests from different sources show that their load times are solid, around 1.4 seconds to fully load a WordPress site with a basic theme. Now, that's fast enough to keep visitors around. They also use SSD storage and have CDN integration with Cloudflare to boost performance. Their geo-redundant infrastructure is a bonus as well. That means if one server fails, your site is backed up on another. Pretty cool for budget hosting. Bluehost is no slouch either. Their test sites load in about 1.9 seconds. They also include a free CDN and caching tools, which helps speed things up globally. However, in head-to-head comparisons, IONOS has occasionally edged them out by a few fractions of a second. Uptime. Now, nobody wants their site to go down. Thankfully, both of these hosts promise 99.9% uptime, and both actually deliver on it pretty well. In long-term tests, Bluehost showed slightly more consistent uptime over several months, but IONOS also held steady with very few hiccups. They both have solid infrastructure and active monitoring to keep things running. Customer support. IONOS offers 24/7 support through phone, chat, and email. One unique feature is their personal consultant. You get assigned a dedicated support person who can guide you through questions and setup. Bluehost support also has 24/7 support and tends to respond quickly on live chat. However, the first few replies often come from a bot, and you might have to ask a few times before getting to a real human. Still, once you do, they're helpful and knowledgeable. Bottom line, both offer decent support, but IONOS wins points for the personal consultant approach, something you won't find at Bluehost. Now, security is one of those things that's easy to overlook until something goes wrong. Luckily, both providers take it seriously. IONOS security. You get free SSL, malware scanning, daily backups, and DDoS protection. That's all great. You can also enable two-factor authentication and even use mod security for extra firewall protection if you're comfortable setting it up. Bluehost security. Bluehost also offers SSL, malware scans, daily backups on their higher plans, and DDoS protection. Their firewall and CodeGuard backup system are solid. Bottom line, it's close, but IONOS offers slightly better security value on the entry-level plan. Features and extras. What do you actually get? So with IONOS, you get free SSL, daily backups, DDoS protection, and a free domain. Now, most of these features are included even in their cheapest plans. You'll also find affordable options for email and domain branded inbox. Now, what's missing? There's no free website builder unless you pay extra. Also, managing multiple sites is a bit clunky. Most plans limit you to just one website. Bluehost packs in a ton of extras. You get AI-powered site creation tools, free CDN, free backups on some of the higher plans, and unlimited websites depending on your plan level. Their site builder is free and easy to use. One cool thing is the WordPress staging feature. Perfect if you want to test changes without messing up your live site. Bottom line, Bluehost has more features baked into its plans, especially for people who are using WordPress. Now, let's be real. Price matters, especially when you're just starting out. You don't want to overpay for stuff that you don't need. Starting with IONOS pricing. So IONOS has several different plans. And if you click the link down below in the description, you can go ahead and get brought to this page right here. Now, at the time of recording, here are the current prices for IONOS. They have the Essential plan for $4 per month with a 1-year term, the Starter plan for $6 per month with a 1-year term, their Plus plan, which is currently $1 per month for a 1-year term, and then the Ultimate plan for $10 per month with a 1-year term. Now, let's go ahead and just take a look at the elephant in the room here, the plan that costs only $1 a month or $12 for an entire year. So with this plan, you're going to get unlimited websites, unlimited storage, unlimited databases, enhanced CPU and MEM resources, free domain for a year, professional email, free wildcard SSL certificate, daily backup and recovery, and free 24/7 support. Now, if you're looking for a managed WordPress hosting plan from IONOS, we've got that too. Just go ahead and click the link down below in the description to bring you to the IONOS managed WordPress hosting. And if we scroll down here, you'll also see 3 different plans: the Start plan, the Grow plan, and the Boost plan. And similarly to the previous page we were just on, they have sort of their middle tier plan here for an incredible deal at just $1 per month. And again, for $12 a year, you just can't beat it. Now, taking a look at Bluehost. So again, Bluehost is really geared towards WordPress. So this will be comparative to that last pricing page we just looked at. So their basic plan is not much more expensive than that incredible deal going on with IONOS right now. It's currently $1.99 per month for a 12-month term at the time of recording for their basic plan. Their Choice Plus plan is $3.99 per month for a 12-month term, and their e-commerce premium is $7.45 per month for a 12-month term. Taking a look at the basic plan features, you can build up to 10 websites. You get 10 gigabytes of SSD storage. It's ideal for about 40,000 visits per month. You get AI site creation tools, a 30-day money-back guarantee, free domain for the first year, free site migration tool, free CDN, managed WordPress updates, 24/7 chat support, all these security features, these marketing features, as well as these other advanced features. So which one should you choose? Now, here's the thing. Neither IONOS nor Bluehost is perfect, but they're both solid choices depending on what you need. You should go with IONOS if you're really tight on a budget and you want to spend as little as possible upfront. If you're okay with a bit of a learning curve in exchange for lower prices. If you're based in Europe or you want geo-redundant servers. If you want a personal support consultant to help guide you. Now, you should go with Bluehost if you're building a WordPress site and you want the easiest setup possible. If you like having all the tools and features right in front of you. You value a clean dashboard and a simple experience. And you're planning to build more than just one website. Now, at the end of the day, both of these hosts can help you launch your site. IONOS saves you money, but Bluehost might save you time, and time's valuable too. Now, if you want to get started with either Bluehost or IONOS, we'll have links for you down in the description below. Now, these are affiliate links, which means that we do earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. In fact, you're gonna get the best pricing possible by using those links. And the commissions that we receive really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.